What's up, everybody? I messed up and accidentally deleted some footage. So what we're doing here, we're back on another day with the Jeep, and today we are getting the long arms built and sized for the lift on the Jeep. So what we're doing in this video is getting all that done and getting those links made so we can actually get it on the trailer and get it back to my house. So enjoy the footage. More to come later, but enjoy what we got here now. Zach, put on your smile face. Coming down. Well, I didn't get electrocuted this time, so that's a win-win.
Definitely don't grab the wires.
It helps when they're not exposed. It's down. On its own weight. The first time.
Oh, my foot.
One for you. Alright. Woo! It's here. We got it here. The Jeep is home. Finally home. It is dirty as hell, but it's at the house, which is good. Now we can start messing with other things on this thing. Still have to cut the fenders. This is sitting at full bump. I hope I didn't stretch it too far forward, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to get into the front header panel. I'm not sure yet. I hadn't even put the tires on it yet. I hadn't even shown you all the wheels yet. But that's coming up. But it's home. Now the fun stuff starts. All the cutting. Need to cut this thing. This pristine Cherokee gets cut up. The funny thing is, all this can be taken off right now. I really wanted it to. But where's the fun in that? Alright, that's a wrap for this video. I will see you guys later. Make sure to like and subscribe. And peace out.